Good day or evening, dear participants. In this second lecture of Module 3, we are going to focus on the Planning a FHL online course. My name is Mr. Maurice Nkusi. I am the facilitator of this lecture. Let us first introduce this lecture. This lecture explores hybrid flexible learning course development for Moodle that offers course participants the flexibility to choose between online and in-person learning modes. Teaching in a hybrid flexible learning environment provides greater flexibility, better time management, and reaches a broader range of students. This approach is also more cost-effective for institutions and reduces classroom space requirements. By the end of this lecture, you will have some tools and methods to create quality, flexible, and engaging hybrid flexible learning courses in Moodle. Flexible hybrid online course development in Moodle refers to the process of designing and creating courses that offer a blend of online and in-person learning experiences with a high degree of flexibility for students. Moodle, as a learning management system, LMS, provides the platform and tools to facilitate the development of such courses. In a flexible hybrid online course, students have the option to choose whether they want to participate in the course activities online or attend face-to-face sessions, allowing them to personalize their learning experience based on their needs and preferences. Moodle supports the development of these courses by providing a range of features and functionalities that enable educators to create engaging and interactive learning environments. Let's see the aspects to consider before starting creating the FHL Moodle online course. Creating an effective online course on Moodle requires planning and consideration of several key aspects. The following guidelines based on global best practices offer a comprehensive approach to developing a successful FHL Moodle online course. 1. Define clear learning objectives. Before starting the course design, it's crucial to define clear and measurable learning objectives. These objectives guide the course structure and content, ensuring that the course meets the student's needs and the educational goals. Clear objectives also help in assessing the effectiveness of the course according to Anderson 2008. At this stage, the course learning materials are developed, created, ready to be uploaded into the course following a predetermined template. 2. Understand your target audience. Knowing the target audience is essential for tailoring the course content and delivery methods. Consider the student's demographics, prior knowledge, learning preferences, and potential challenges they might face. This understanding helps in designing an inclusive and engaging course, as argued by Pappas, 2015. 3. Develop a detailed course outline. A detailed course outline serves as a roadmap for both instructors and students. It should include the course objectives, weekly topics, assessment methods, and required resources. A well-structured outline ensures that the course progresses logically and cohesively according to Butcher and Conrad, 2016. 4. Choose appropriate teaching methods. Select teaching methods that align with the course objectives and the student's needs. These methods may include lectures, interactive activities, multimedia resources, and collaborative projects. Incorporating a variety of methods can enhance engagement and accommodate different learning styles, as argued by Garrison and Vaughn, 2008. 5. Ensure accessibility and inclusivity. Design the course to be accessible to all students, including those with disabilities. Use accessible design principles such as providing text alternatives for audio and visual content, ensuring keyboard navigability, and using clear and consistent layouts. Inclusivity also involves considering cultural diversity and providing support for non-native speakers, according to Bergstaller, 2015. 6. Integrate interactive and engaging content. Interactive content, such as quizzes, discussion forums, and multimedia, can significantly enhance student engagement. Use a variety of content types to keep the students interested and actively participating. Incorporating real-world scenarios and problem-solving activities can also make the learning experience more relevant, as argued by Mayer, 2009. 7th Plan for assessment and feedback. Develop a comprehensive assessment plan that includes both formative and summative assessments. Provide regular feedback to help students track their progress and understand areas for improvement. Peer assessments and self-assessments can also be valuable tools for encouraging reflection and deeper learning, according to Black and William, 2009. 9. Test the course before launch. Conduct a pilot test of the course to identify any issues and gather feedback from a small group of students. This testing phase allows for adjustments and improvements before the course is launched to a broader audience, as argued by Clark and Mayer, 2011. 10. Continuously evaluate and improve. After the course is launched, continuously evaluate its effectiveness through student feedback, completion rates, and assessment results. Use this data to make ongoing improvements and ensure that the course remains relevant and effective. Kirkpatrick and Kirkpatrick, 2006. Now let us discuss the customization of the dashboard for easier access to frequently used resources and activities. Customizing the dashboard for easier access to frequently used resources and activities on Moodle is essential for enhancing the student experience. By personalizing the dashboard, academics can ensure that students and any other user of the course can quickly navigate to the most relevant sections, thus saving time and reducing frustration. Smith, 2020. Start by identifying the key resources and activities that are most accessed by users. These could include course modules, forums, assignment submission areas, and grading tools. Once identified, these elements should be prominently displayed on the dashboard, perhaps by using widgets, element of a graphical user interface that displays information, or direct links. Johnson and Brown, 2019. The design should be intuitive, leveraging visual cues such as icons and color coding to differentiate between various types of content. Additionally, providing options for users to customize their own dashboard, if possible, can further enhance usability. Features such as drag-and-drop functionality, customizable widgets, and the ability to bookmark frequently accessed pages can make the dashboard more user-friendly. Davis, 2021. Regularly gather feedback from users about the dashboard's functionality and make iterative improvements based on this input. This ongoing process ensures that the dashboard remains responsive to the needs of its users, ultimately contributing to a more effective and engaging learning environment. Miller, 2018. How to create a dashboard will be discussed in one of the practical lab session of this module. Tips and resources for navigating and using Moodle LMS. Navigating and using Moodle Learning Management System, LMS, effectively can greatly enhance the teaching and learning experience. Here are some tips and resources to help you navigate and utilize Moodle. 1. Access NUST e-learning support system. Access NUST e-learning support system by following this link. 2. Moodle documentation. Familiarize yourself with the official Moodle documentation, docs.moodle.org. It provides comprehensive guides and tutorials on various aspects of Moodle, from setting up courses to grading assignments. 3. Training workshops. NUST offers training workshops for professional development. These are in-person or online and are often conducted by experienced Moodle users or certified trainers. 4. Accessibility. Ensure your course materials are accessible to all students, including those with disabilities. Moodle has built-in accessibility features, so make use of them. Important general tips. 1. Keep passwords secure. Keep your Moodle login credentials safe and use strong, unique passwords. 2. Browser compatibility. Use a compatible web browser. Moodle works best with browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. 3rd experiment. Do not be afraid to experiment with Moodle's features. It is a flexible platform, and trying different options can help you find the best approach for your needs. Moodle is a powerful and versatile LMS, and with a bit of practice and exploration, both instructors and students can make the most of its capabilities for effective teaching and learning. Guidelines to create a quality FHL online course introduction. The guidelines emphasize the importance of maintaining quality learning experiences through a consistent and accessible approach to online course development. They highlight the role of the Academic Support in Teaching, Learning, and Technology (ASTLT) department in providing regular training for instructors. Key components and features. 1. Course structure. An adaptable course structure that addresses student needs and facilitates easy navigation. 2. Warm and motivating. Welcome. A welcoming message to create a positive and engaging learning environment. Third, intended learning outcomes. Clearly define the learning outcomes at course, unit, and lesson levels, ensuring alignment with assessments and content. Fourth, online learning resources access to diverse and interactive instructional materials that support self-paced learning. 5. Synchronous and asynchronous activities. Implement a blend of real-time and self-paced activities that caters different learning preferences of the students. 6. Communication and collaboration tools. Use platforms for effective communication and collaboration, such as MS Teams, Zoom, WhatsApp, and Telegram. 7. Assessment methods. Provide various assessment strategies, including formative, summative, authentic, and diagnostic assessments, supported by tools like Turnitin. 8. Feedback mechanisms. Ensure the provision of regular and constructive feedback to guide student learning. 9. Inclusivity and accessibility. Instructional materials and activities designed to be inclusive and accessible to all students. 10. Real-world applications. Provide opportunities for students to apply theoretical concepts in practical scenarios. 11th. Regular progress tracking. Provide clear indicators of student progress, such as gradebooks and progress reports. 12. Support services. Ensure the course provide links to access information related to academic advice, tutoring, and counseling services. 13. Quality assurance. Ensure the course adherence to global quality assurance standards of online courses, including the Quality Matters framework. 14. Study mode. Ensure all study modes offered at NUST are accommodated within the online course. 15th. FHL support. Organize regular training sessions and webinars to empower academics in facilitating flexible hybrid learning. Also accommodate one-on-one approach through support system using MS Teams. 16th. Online course content and teaching evaluation. Use appropriate tools for assessing the quality of the course and teaching. 17. Technical support for students. Provide links to access to training videos, webinars, and personalized support from the student support staff and ASTLT when required. 18. ICT Help Desk and Services. Add a link where students can get support from the Department of Digital Transformation and Business Services, DTBS, including a help desk and virtual live support. These guidelines provide a comprehensive framework for developing high-quality online courses that cater to diverse student needs in a flexible hybrid learning environment. Let us now reflect. The lecture explored the planning, designing, and developing flexible hybrid online courses in Moodle, emphasizing clear objectives, audience understanding, interactive content, and continuous improvement. Now, what questions should we start asking ourselves? What comes to my immediate thinking is, 1. How can the integration of both synchronous and asynchronous activities enhance students' learning experience in your course? Reflect on the balance between real-time interactions and self-paced learning and how these two approaches can cater student personal learning preferences styles. 2. In your opinion, what ways the diverse and interactive instructional materials can support student understanding the course content? Consider how different types of resources, such as video-recorded lectures, quizzes, and discussion forums, can contribute to students' engagement and comprehension. Use your own experience in this course. 3. In your own experience and practice, how the feedback mechanisms provided throughout a course can help students track their learning progress and identify areas for improvement. Think about the types of feedback you received so far in this course, instructors, peer, and self-assessment, and how the same type of feedback can influence students' learning journey. Reflect in writing on these 4 questions using the Gibbs Reflective Cycle Guide, which will be shared with you in this module. Compile your reflection in the e-journal available within the e-learning platform in use in this self-paced online course. Share your reflections with your colleagues at work and share them on the community of practice space, which will be shared with you. In conclusion, this lecture looked at creating an effective FHL online course on Moodle and it identified important aspects to consider before starting the development of the online course, such as careful planning and consideration of various elements, from defining clear learning objectives to ensuring accessibility and inclusivity. The rich information received in this lecture will permit you to design courses that are engaging, flexible, and tailored to the diverse needs of their students. You also learned that through continuous evaluation and improvement, the developed online flexible hybrid online courses can remain relevant and effective, supporting a positive and enriching learning experience. Let us embrace the opportunities that hybrid flexible learning offers and commit to providing high-quality education for all students. If you have any questions or challenges, please use the discussion forum named Questions and Answers of Module 3 to ask questions and answer other participants' questions as well. Thank you for your attention.